mixing with colors inside. Wow!
Right away, Yuri. Okay.
I make it red. Right away, are you? Look how you
Look
did
right
it.
there. I got painted on.
Hey!
Hey! No! Okay. No more for Yuri.
There's for me.
This is for cleaning.
Here, dip it. Yellow.
Yeah.
And then you put it here.
I
Can you make a school bus?
could make a school bus.
Wow.
I could make a school
Can
bus.
you make a blue school bus?
Wow.
This is
No.
Look, look. I have a different color, Yuri.
Wow. Wow. And give me it. I'm making it. I mixed the color. It turned purple. There, just take it.
Put it on the paper, Victor.
No, Victor, Yuri, you don't need that. Okay?
More colors are rolling up. I got painted. My hand.
No.
No. And you did. Wow.
Oh. Look.
Yuri, show me your arm.
Show Daddy you're dirty. Show Daddy dirty. Where did you paint? Did you paint on your hand? Show Daddy.
Victor, don't paint on your hand.
Victor, don't paint your hand. Mommy has to scrub it off. It's gonna be hard.
No. Make it too less. Okay.
Yuri. Yuri really wants.
Make it watery.
Don't touch it. Here. He thinks that's paint. Oh my god, oh god.
My eye need is closer.
Look, Yuri. Let's just put it all over your paper. Oh no, he painted me.
Oh no.
Painted my finger. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Victor, don't do that. No.
I'm making them.
No, don't. Oh yeah.
Oh.
What did I paint?
Okay, honey, give him an example.
Okay, stop. Stop painting on your hand. Oh, it's dirty. Paint on your paper. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, stop that. Yuri, stop that. Are you guys done? Can we stop painting now?
No. I don't paint.
Yuri, what are you painting?
Boom. Boom.
Are you painting ball? What are you doing? Yuri, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're dirtying your belly. Uh-oh. Kids, you're gonna have to scrub. You're gonna have to scrub.
Han, he's painting on the table now.
Yeah.
I'm not painting on the table.
I'm doing this.